Secret Service appeared to confirm specifically that a file on the alleged incident existed at some point, asserting there are no responsive records or documents pertaining to your requests in our files because the above mentioned files have been destroyed due to retention standards. There was this story in the Gateway Pundit, which is one of these alternative blogs that the media hates. And the story quoted someone as saying the following. The Gateway Pundit republished a 2017 report alleging that an unidentified Secret Service agent was suspended for a week in 2009 for, quote, shoving Joe Biden, after he cupped his girlfriend's breast while the couple was taking a photo with him. The situation got so heated that others had to step in to prevent the agent from hitting the then vice president, according to the report. Well, isn't that interesting? That report obviously is interesting. I don't know if it was true or not. We didn't know if it was true. One of the ways we figure out if it's true is to use the law called the Freedom of Information Act to get documents about the incident. And presumably the Secret Service would have documents. So we asked quite specifically, we didn't give them any out here. We said we want all records related to a reported incident in 2009 in which the United States Secret Service agent reportedly was involved in an altercation with or attempted to strike then Vice President Joe Biden during a photo opportunity. The records sought shall include but not be limited to witness statements, the agent's statement, victim statement, alleged perpetrator statement, incident reports, investigative reports, communications among USS personnel regarding the incident, and disciplinary records related to the incident for the agent in question. And what was the response we got from the agency? The Secret Service appeared to confirm that something had happened. Secret Service appeared to confirm specifically that a file on the alleged incident existed at some point, asserting there are no responsive records or documents pertaining to your requests in our files because the above mentioned files have been destroyed due to retention standards. The Secret Service added that no additional information is available. It did not deny the incident had occurred. And of course, in our lawsuit, Judicial Watch, we just filed the lawsuit, plans to test the assertion that it destroyed all the records about the incident. So what's really odd about this case is we had no idea whether the story was true or not until the Secret Service itself suggested it destroyed records about the incident. And look, we didn't misread the document. They made it, and in fact, we appealed, saying, what's going on here? You saying you destroyed records about this? And they ignored it. So we filed the lawsuit. Now, I don't know if they're suggesting something had happened because they seem to suggest that there are records on it. So we'll see what happens. But isn't this a curious case? You know, I've been doing this I've been at Judicial Watch for 22 years now. And this is pretty unusual that, you know, we see this report. Is it true or not? Who knows? So we do our Freedom of Information Act request, and then boom, the agency says, oh, yeah, we don't have any records because we destroyed records about the incident. Whoa, well, that's a kind of a interesting way to confirm that the incident certainly took place. Now, what is the Secret Service going to do in response to our lawsuit? I don't know. Are they going to come back and say that they misspoke and that they really meant to say that there were no records because nothing happened? I don't know. But, you know, this fits a pattern with Joe Biden in the sense that you have these other allegations against him. So wouldn't it be surprising if some type of incident had taken place? We have this issue with Tara Reade. I don't know if she is accurate in her recollection of a sexual assault. And of course, we have a separate lawsuit against the University of Delaware over his secret Senate records. Judicial Watch and the Daily Caller News Foundation, we want Biden's secret Senate records. It's not even about the sexual harassment issue. It's, I guess, in part, there could be documents there about it. It's also, are we going to have the full record that is technically ought to be available to the American people as a man is running for the presidency. Typically Senate records are not available under the Freedom of Information Act, but because he gave them to Delaware, the University of Delaware, and taxpayer monies look to be being used to maintain them, they are subject to being disclosed. And of course, I don't know why we have to sue. Of course, if you had an honest media, they'd be pressing Mr. Biden to release his Senate records. They're available. They're already, they're one nice little location. So it's up to Judicial Watch to do the basic heavy lifting for government accountability as we proceed. And this work is never going to stop. It doesn't stop if Trump wins, and obviously it won't stop if Vice President Biden wins. And it won't stop if there's an acting President Pelosi either. So you can trust Judicial Watch to continue to promote accountability, transparency, and integrity in government politics and the law, because few others here in town are doing it.
Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to catch all the latest news from Judicial Watch.